gooses. Let's see. There's a mama goose and a dada goose. And 1, 2, 3, 4 baby gooses. And duckies and gooses. Oh, look at the baby gooses. Oh, they're so fat. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. No. Oh, they're so cute. Over here. See if I can get a better picture of them. Oh, they're so cute.
Baby!
I know, babies. They're so cute. So adorable. Bye-bye, babies. Bye-bye. Oh, they're so cute.